Hello viewers, welcome to Innovate Teaching Channel. Recently, our Innovate Teaching Channel has proudly reached 16,000 subscribers on August 20th, 2025. And it's all thanks to the incredible support from our passionate fans and learners around the world. With creativity, dedication, and a drive to make learning engaging and accessible, we continue to grow, inspire, and educate. Hence, so far we can see that we reached 16.1k subscribers count. We are excited to let you know that we have posted 4 special videos earlier where we reveal and respond to some of the most heartfelt comments from our amazing fans. Yes, that means you. Your words truly mean the world to us, and we wanted to take a moment to highlight and appreciate them in a meaningful way. So, you all viewers, check the videos now and see if your comment was featured. And if you have not already, kindly take a moment to read through the comments and feel the love of our community has shared. Thank you for being part of this journey. I'm truly grateful for your supportive comments. They have motivated me to keep going. Thank you for your positive comments. They have energized me and boosted my confidence. So guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. I'm signing off. Take care. Bye.